Table 79-35 is a boxed table, but what we do differently on this one is introduce repeating table heading rows. And it's also a very long table going over 2 pages, so we're going to have to number our pages in the upper right-hand corner. First step, insert a box table with 3 columns and 52 rows. I'm going to type that in because I don't want to hit the up arrow that many times. Okay, this is how we start out. I want you to select the entire table and change to 12.5. Select the first row, merge the cells, and then type in all caps, bold, and centered. Hit enter one time and type the subtitle. Take off the caps lock key. And then press enter one time to insert a blank line. Go back, select the title, and change it to size 14. Now we're going to type the column headings. I'm going to select the whole row to turn on bold. These will be aligned left for the first column. Outflow is going to be centered. And miles is going to be right aligned along with the quantity column underneath it. So next step, fill in all of the table information. Okay, I am showing this as you would type it with the miles information appearing to be left aligned. That's the default. But once it's typed, you're going to select that column and right align it. Step 7. We're going to apply 25% shading to the column heading row. We select the text that we want to shade, go to the Design tab, and we again want 25%. Okay, the next step is to repeat the table heading rows. It's the first step. Select the information you want to repeat. So we've selected row 1 and row 2. Then, as in your word processing manual, lesson 79, page 133, move to the Table Tools Layout tab and the Data group on the right. And then we can click Repeat Header Rows. And if we scroll down, you will see what happens for our second page. Next step is to number the pages. Going to the Insert tab, Header and Footer group, insert a page number at the top of the page and on the right, which is plain number 3. Leave it showing on the first page. Okay, we still have some steps left to do. We are going to right-click and auto-fit. Then we need to select our table and center it horizontally. Since it is such a long multi-page table, we don't need to center it vertically this time. So we just go to Table, Tools, Layout tab, Properties, Alignment, Center, and OK. All right, look it over. There's a lot of text where we might have encountered some typos, so you'll need to check those over or return to GDP and then come back and edit your errors to 0.